Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to bulk add watchers to your tasks within Clickup. So this is fairly simple, but it can get a little tricky because the UI is not quite set up to be able to handle this and certain aspects of this, which we'll get into. So let's say we wanted to add a couple of watchers here. I'm just going to grab a couple here. Let's grab 4. I want you to pay attention to this bottom left hand corner to make sure that you can see what we're doing. So let's go ahead and click the set watchers here, the bar that comes up at the top. Okay. And now we can either search or enter in an email. We can send notifications. I am going to have myself watch it. And it says that we have added 1 watcher and removed 0 for 4 tasks. So there we go. Now we have entered in those. Let's go ahead and undo those and check in here to make sure that we do have 1 watcher. So now if we wanted to remove it, it would be almost the exact same process, but the UI is not quite updated. So let's go ahead. And so those 4 that we have added are selected. Now it doesn't even show that like, hey, you have watchers added here. You would just click on yourself again, and then we'd do a double click there, and you can see it had one watcher added for 4 tasks, and then 0 watchers added, and then it was removed for 4. So let's go ahead and dismiss this, and let's go ahead and check in here, and you can see here we have 0 people watching it. So that's how to bulk add. And then if you wanted to get rid of it, that's how you would undo it. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials down in the description down below and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Thanks.